Have you ever rubbed your cat's ear and heard a strange crinkly or crackling sound? Did you worry if it was an infection or something serious? Today, let's dive deep into what these ear noises really mean. First, understand cat ear anatomy. A cat's ear has very thin skin covering cartilage with minimal fat padding. When you rub or fold their ears, the dry layers of skin and cartilage surfaces shift against each other, producing a soft crinkle sound. This is similar to when you bend your own ear, but cats' ears are thinner and amplify that sound. So is this normal? Yes, if it's just a dry, papery crinkle sound without any discomfort for your cat. But here's when it's not normal. If you hear wet squelching sounds, or your cat shakes its head repeatedly, scratches constantly, or shows pain when you touch their ears, these are warning signs. Let's break down possible causes. First, ear mites. These tiny parasites live in the ear canal, feeding on wax and skin oils. Signs include intense itching, head shaking, dark coffee ground wax, and foul odor. Left untreated, mites cause infections and long-term ear damage. Second, bacterial or yeast infections. If your cat's ear smells bad, has discharge, looks red or swollen, or produces wet crackling sounds when pressed, it's time to visit your vet. These infections often start from moisture buildup, allergies, or scratching injuries. Third, polyps or tumors. Rare but serious, growths in the ear canal can affect balance, cause pain, or produce unusual noises when touched. So what should you do if you hear unusual ear sounds? Observe your cat's behavior. Are they scratching? Shaking their head? Acting irritated? Inspect their ears gently. Check for redness, swelling, dark wax, or bad smell. Don't insert anything deep. Only clean visible outer wax with a soft cotton pad. Never use Q-tips inside. When in doubt, consult your vet. Early treatment prevents chronic pain or hearing loss. Remember, healthy cat ears are clean, odorless, and free from discharge or redness. That harmless dry crinkle sound is just thin cartilage moving under skin. But any wet sounds, pain, or constant scratching means something more serious. Your cat's ears are powerful tools for hunting, balancing, and communicating. They deserve regular gentle checks and quick treatment if anything feels off. Comment below if your cat has ever had ear problems and how you handled them. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more hidden cat health and behavior secrets.